1965, original right-hand drive 4.2 E-Type. Shell built by Hudson's, and I used all new parts for the bonnet. Alright, people moan about orange peel. Well, you could never get rid of orange peel unless you really flatten it down. So it's got a lovely line to it. Looks nice, as though it's not been done too heavy, because some people put too much lacquer on it and it looks too thick. I pieced the bonnet together myself from all original panels. I think I've achieved what I wanted to achieve. Again, normally these don't fit. With all these cars, the fitting of the lights is not that simple. When you actually put it on, when you screw it in, normally the threads do not line up, so you have to move it around and jiggle it around. One of the main problems is this rubber, which is always, as you put it on, it always tucks in or pulls back, and it's okay. It took me about 2 hours to fit that. The first thing you fit on these cars is all your inner bulkhead items. Wiper rack, washer, jets, anything that goes inside that bulkhead, otherwise you've got a problem. And any ancillaries on the front, while the engine's out the way, you've got more ease of putting parts in. Starting to fit all the wiring loom in. I feed the horn relays, go to the horns. So this is the reverse light wiring. So now I can fit the fuel tank, which I'll do in the next couple of days. The very early E-Types had flat floors, and it became apparent very quickly that unless you were a very short person, it was very uncomfortable. They put this in as well. Originally it was straight across here, so you couldn't get the seat further back. Well, an early car wouldn't have the braking system that's on this vehicle. It would have the thing called a Kelsey-Hayes system, which was a bellows system. Seating would be different. You'd have bucket seats as opposed to folding seats. More or less the first 4.2s came out in late '64. Yeah, I've got to get the engine in and all the front suspension in so it's rolling, and then I can take it down to the upholsterers. And again, this is an original opalescent silver grey car with red interior, and that's how it will be.